This is the long here. I like it long off of this. And if we dive into that 71 area, this candle right here around 46, there's the black magic we're looking for. So I want to see where this opens. If we get this 5-minute ready. So if we open, have a nice big gap, I'm going to be looking for that short trade just coming down into 71, 60, 44. Let's see where we go. Give it a little bit of time to set up. See, let the tug of war happen. Sell off in the morning, catch a bid. Maybe the first hour bounce, something like that. And that 49, that's a nice 1, 2, 3 reversal on the 50 or MCR on the 15. It's a black magic. I like it. Probably be another 5 minutes setup or 5 minutes in before it sets up. Put a fishing order down there on the. This is the way it's acting. It's not even letting it come back to it, man. It's pretty bullish from here. I got long right there in my margin account. So nice entry too. I'll tell you what, man, if we hold up here in this hour, we end up with just a consolidation hour, which is going to give us a nice 1, 2, 3 reversal on the hourly with a trigger of 46, which is right at this black magic of the day. We start getting in the last 10 minutes of this, I'm going to look at taking that sucker. We break up here, I'm going to be down to 2 contracts. One more breakup, I'm going to be down to 2 contracts. I'm going to add another one. Start working this back up towards 80, 75, 80, 71, 75, 85. Those are the targets. Time will tell. The bulls are really holding this area, and they're not doing it for nothing, right? They're holding it, I'd say, so that they can try to run this thing up again. But, for right now, all I'm looking at is a bounce back into the 15-minute 9. And then when we come back and, fail the 15-minute 9 and come back and test this 49, that's the trade I'm really looking for, right? That's the trade I'm really drooling over. I've already sold, the majority of them on my margin account. I've already sold the majority. And I'm looking to get back in if I can get a good setup. Finally getting that breakup. If I can get that setup there, I'll be looking to add. Fishing order just got hit on 1 strike. I got a combo setting out. And see if I can get the other one filled too.
Order filled.
Here it is. I got a full fill on that one. Nice. Testing 76, 37.61 or something. I'm going to take some profits into that area and then hang on to the rest. See if we can get the bulls to run this up at least in the 60-minute 9 into 70. Come on, you can do it. Get up there and close. Just give me 60 on this candle. How about that? Give me that 60 on this one. I'll take some profits. I'll be sitting pretty. So I've taken profits, and then I've got another strike here that's full, one full strike that's going to 70.
Order filled.
There we go. We're in the last 4 seconds of this candle, man. I had to pay myself on that. Next target is 71 and then 85. Yeah, we got the 60-minute 9 at 77. OIM highs at 76. We're right there. We're right at testing the day's high. We're 1 minute 30 seconds in this candle. I'm going to sell some and close this candle regardless.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm just going to close it, baby, there. Just get myself down to a couple of strikes. And like I said, those 40s are trading. They still have a little time value on them, but I do need to take profits with them and then just hang on to a few. But I can put a profit stop in place and sell this other strike too. So let's go. That was a nice trade. Took a while. That was painful, but selling into that high day, selling into that 60-minute 9. If you haven't taken profits, take some profits. I mean, we could go higher, but this could also be the end, right?